In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in ActiveCampaign, providing you with a detailed, step-by-step walkthrough that will guide you through the entire process. Start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account at activecampaign.com. Once logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a menu option labeled Automations. Click on it to proceed. You'll be taken to the Automations page, where you will create a new automation by clicking the Create an Automation button located at the top right corner of the screen. As you click to create an automation, you'll be presented with a range of automation templates. These handy templates include options like Welcome Series, Abandoned Cart, and Engaged Subscribers. You have two choices here. You can start from scratch, giving you full control over each step of the process, or you can choose to use one of the templates to save some time. For this tutorial, we will choose the Start from Scratch option, allowing us to build a completely personalized automation from the ground up. The next step is pivotal, selecting your trigger. The trigger is the event that will start your automation. Popular triggers to consider include subscribes to a list, tag is added, opens or clicks an email, submits a form, or makes a purchase, especially if your ActiveCampaign is connected to your e-commerce platform. Once you have selected the trigger that best fits your needs, click Continue. Now let's add your first action. This can be done by selecting the plus button that appears on your screen. When doing this, you'll notice that options are grouped by type. These groups include sending options, conditions and workflow, contacts, and CRM. For example, if you're setting up a welcome automation, you might use the subscribes to list trigger. Your first action could be to send welcome email. After that, you might want the system to wait 1 day before proceeding to send follow-up email. To send an email within this workflow, you will select Send an Email. If you don't have any pre-made emails, you'll have the option to create a new email and design it using ActiveCampaign's intuitive email builder. Continue building your automation by adding more actions, such as tagging users, sending follow-up emails, or adding conditions based on user behavior, like opening an email. Once your automation is fully built, it's time to bring it to life by clicking Active in the upper right corner to activate it. Don't forget to test your automation to ensure everything is running smoothly. You can do this by subscribing with a test email address or adding a contact that meets your trigger conditions. A helpful pro tip: use goals and wait conditions to personalize and increase the efficiency of your automations even further. You can monitor how well everything is performing under the Reports tab. With these steps, you're on your way to mastering automations in ActiveCampaign. Happy automating!